Hi, this video is more of a tutorial where I will guide you through using this cryptocurrency, Bitget. We will cover the setup process, transferring both crypto and fiat currency in and out, trading on the spot markets here, and explore additional features like copy trading and in the programs. So don't forget to check the link in the description for a 20% fee discount. So firstly, let's create a Bitget account. Head over to Bitget accounts and click on sign up. So just enter your email and just set up a password. Under here, there is a referral code, so please remember to enter 20 SAFE for 20 fees discount and click on privacy policy and create an account. Then you will receive a 6-digit verification code to your email, so just enter the code you receive in your email. So once your account is set up securely, as mentioned earlier, the link is in the description. Navigate to your account and go to account information here. So on this page, it is crucial to set up Google verifications and click on security. Then you can see that there are so many two-factor authentication you can choose from. So download Google authenticators on your phone and link it here for added security. It verifies your identity whenever you log in or make transactions. Additionally, consider setting up funding codes if you plan to withdraw crypto or fiat currency, enhance your account security. Next, KYC, know your customer, which is also identity verification, is crucial for trading on Bitget. You can find a tutorial for ID verifications in here, ID verification zones. So even if you only want to deal with crypto, KYC, identity verification is really necessary. So now let's move on purchasing crypto. Personally, I prefer using P2P transactions. Bitget acts as an intermediary, and you make a payment to a third party. They hold the crypto on Bitget ready to release to you upon receiving the payment. So click on buy crypto and choose either like credit card or debit cards or P2P. P2P provides more options. Click on here. So in this page, please keep in mind that this isn't for a large transaction. For example, like for this account allows you to buy 440 pounds worth of USDT. So after selecting buy, you will giving the payment method option for here like bank transfers, Revolut, and faster payment. So make a fiat currency payment to them in the chosen methods, and once the fiat currency hits their account, they lock the USDT is released to you. To initiate this process, click on buy and ensure your phone number and KYC detail are linked. So now let me guide you on depositing crypto on Bitget, especially if you already have it on another exchange like Binance or OKX. So the first thing is navigate to your access is a small wallet icon here. So click on access overview top at the top. So this section essentially disciplines everything in your account. You will know a list of your crypto holdings and their respective balance. Additionally, there are different accounts such as future accounts, earned accounts. So if you're using any of these products, I will show you how to transfer the crypto assets there shortly. So now let's key on deposit button at the top for a fraction deposit screen. Click on here. So here, where you can choose the crypto in this case is USDT. So as you can see, you need to select a chain name based on where your funds are. Bitget supports various change and it is advisable to choose the most cost-effective one. Mostly for this case is Binance Smart Change. Click on here. When you just finishing choosing the network, it will prompt the address and the QR code. So now you can just paste this address and or share this QR code to whatever crypto exchange platform you want to deposit to. So for restoring crypto from Bitget, the process is reversed. Head to your external exchange, whether it is Binance, OKX, or another others, and obtain the withdrawal address. Then on Bitget, select withdrawal, which is here. Click on here. Select withdraw, ensuring you are using the same chains on both ends. For this one, I will choose Binance Smart Chains as well. So now I will demonstrate with my Binance account. Here is my Binance account, and make sure we are choosing the same network and the same coin. So now just copy this address and paste it on the Bitget. So if you make sure all the information is correct, just click on next and complete the transaction. This ensures a smooth transfer onto the Bitget platform. Additionally, you can perform internal transfer within your Bitget accounts. If you into copy trading or utilize their own platforms, you will need to move crypto to the specific account. So just click on transfer here. It allows you to shift assets internally your spot account. The default location for most of your crypto is where you will likely to start. However, you can easily swap it to other accounts as needed. So if you keen on trading futures on Bitget, you will need to choose between USDC coins or USDT margins, depending on the specific account. For instance, if you are dealing with Bitcoins, you can opt for either USDC or USDT. And it is worth noting that USDC is another stable account. Alternatively, you may want to transfer your funds to one of the other account available. So just simply select desired amount and hit transfer. Since this is an internal transfer, it is completely free as it doesn't involve using the blockchain. However, if you need your crypto in a different account, this is the process to follow. So now let's dive into how to trade on Bitget. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at the fees. So in the future market, the fees are displayed here and they are quite competitive, aligned with what you typically pay on other platforms. So for the spot markets, Bitget is currently offer 0.1% trading fee across the entire spot market, which is quite favorable. However, this may be a limited time offer. To potentially secure a discount, you can use the Bitget exchange tokens known as BGB. Simply purchase some BGB token, click on the relevant button, which is here, and enjoy a 20% discount on all of your trading fees. It is important to note that you will need to acquire some of the BGB token first, even a small amount, benefits from the discounts. At present, there are low fees in the spot market anyways. And unlike some other apps, Bitget doesn't have a simple convert features. Instead, it directs you straight into a more professional trading system. I will provide you with an overview of how to navigate and trade within this advanced system. So alright, let's dive into the spot market on Bitget. This is your go-to for regular trading where you buy cryptocurrency and hold on it. Click on trade and spot trading here. So here is what you will find in the spot market if you are into buying and holding crypto or withdrawing it to your wallet for the long haul. This is the market you will be navigating. So on the left, you will see the trading pair. Most folks will have USDT to exchange into other crypto. However, you may have to store Bitcoin directly through card payment. So whether you have USDT or another currency, you can explore a spot pair against USDT or USD coin by clicking here. Yeah, you can see here, just choose the crypto you want to join. For example, if you are interested in trading Bitcoin, you can find all the pairs again Bitcoins for USDT and click on all will display a comprehensive list. You can also trade against USDC as see here. So if Ethereum is more your style, you will find all the available pair right here. So let's pick link with USDT. And now you will see everything change. So let's break down the information on the page. The last price currently at around £20 reflects the most recent trade on the system, indicating the cost for one link. However, you can buy any amount you prefer in terms of the pounds amount. So the charts in here provides a visual representation of the trading activity. On the left, there is an order book revealing where traders are buying and selling, and in the center is the mid price, the current trading price for link. If you are ready to make a purchase, you will pay in around £15 for one link. Don't worry, you can specify the dollar amount you want to spend, and here you will find the area to place your order. So now let's break down the process of using a limit order on Bitget. Limit orders provides a more professional approach to trading, allowing you to specify the price you are willing to pay, even if the order doesn't get executed immediately. So I suppose you are a buyer with some USDT in your account. You will know options for either buying or selling. If you have USDT, you can choose the amount you want to spend here. So in the example on the left, you can see the amount of USDT being spent and the corresponding amount of link being purchased. So in this case, we are buying 0.3 link and spending approximately 6 USDT. So what makes limit order powerful is the ability to choose the price you are willing to pay. Checking the order book on the right hand side, you will find the mid price, which is around 15 in this example. However, you may want a slightly cheaper price. Let's look at the buyers in the order book. Are the buyers willing to pay less than the mid price, you can join them to potentially get a better deal. So let's say you want to pay 14 for 0.5 links. Although this order may not go through immediately due to its lower price, you can still place it on the system, click on buy, and confirm your order. Then you will see that your order will immediately show up in your open order history. Here you can see all the details such as the order date, type, and the specific price and the amount of link you intend to buy. So keep in mind that with a GTC, which is good to cancelled setting, your order will remain in the system indefinitely unless you choose to cancel it manually. If you decide to adjust your byte or change your strategy, you can cancel the order at any time. Simply click on cancelled to withdraw the order from the system. And here you can also have the options for using immediate or cancel, which is IOC here. With this, you can choose to execute all or part of the order immediately, and any unfilled parts will cancel. So for example, if you want to buy $80 at a certain price and you can only get 40 done, it will trade 40 and then cancel the rest of the order. And the next one will be FOK, which is fill or queue. Fill or queue is when you say I want to buy $18 at 40, and if I can't do it immediately, just queue the entire order. This way it won't go down into your limit orders. Next one will be post only. So the post only is when you post an order and it will only go on as a market order, which usually has slightly cheaper fees. So a market order is a limit order, meaning it will only go on as a market order. If you put it a limit order at a higher price, you won't be a taker, but with the post only, it won't go through and the order will be executed. So now you can see that you can also use market order. If you choose market here, you can specify the price, but you can't tell the system, I want to buy $15 worth of link at the best price available when I press the buy button. While market orders can get your order done quickly, I will recommend using limit orders if you want more control. With limit orders, you can buy a little lower and wait for the price to move in your favor. So Bitget employs trading wheels for charting, which is an industry standard. Either recommends reaching from the original wheel to trading wheel, which is here, for a more robust experiences. So in here, you can use various indicators such as moving average, relative strength index, and more. So now Bitget is proud to feature one of the larger copy trading platforms globally. In the realm of copy trading, you invest in the traders and mirror their trades, akin to having a portfolio managers. Within this platform, you can dive into their leaderboards and scrutinize traders' performance, assess their manager funds, and get their follow account. So before immersing yourself in copy trading, it is crucial to carefully consider the pros and cons. So now let's navigate to copy trading session on Bitget, which is here, and click on future copy tradings to explore the leaderboards and gain insight into the performance and popularity of various traders. Yeah, so when using a trading or copy trading platform, one effective approach is to examine the ranking. So the layout can be adjusted for clarified. For example, here, returns on investment ROI is a key metric indicating the profitability of traders over time. You can search for specific trader, rank them based on followers, which is here, or consider assets under management, which is AUM, reflecting the size of their accounts. Like high AUM suggests a higher numbers of investors trusting their trade. So while copy trading has its advantage, it is essential to bear in mind that past performance doesn't guarantee the future results. So investing with unfamiliar traders involves certain risk, making it interpreted to waive the potential downsides. Many individuals choose to incorporate copy tradings into their overall trading portfolio, allocating a portion of their funds to follow experienced traders. So for example, by clicking on individual traders, you can examine their trading style, frequency, and the type of trades they are engaging in. Like for example here, this is high profit, high frequency, and long-term, mainly Bitcoin and Ethereum traders. So this detail will allows you to make informed decisions about which traders aligns with your preferences. So for example, you can explore a popular trader with 999 followers and assess their returns on investment. For example, here is over 12,000 and really impressive figures, and decide whether to follow them by clicking on copy button. So this personalized approach empowers users to make strategy decisions based on the unique characteristics and strategies of each trader. So now let's take a closer look look at what these traders are up to. So as scroll down here, you can observe the cryptocurrency they frequently trade. So here is their total income session, also known as year rate. It is crucial to focus on the longer term data like the performance over the last month. You can choose in here. This provides a more comprehensive picture, as a single fortune trade over a week may not truly reflect their overall strategy. So while the current market condition may be favorable, it is essential to consider their history performance. Also, you can examine their trade history. You can see both active and completed orders. This session reviews the crypto they trade and the total income generated and additional insight statistics. So one valuable metric is the position duration, which you can find here. So indicating how quickly they call losses and allow profitable trades to run, a common strategy among successful traders. And additionally, you can assess their trading volume, offering insights into their activity and variety of crypto they engage with. So just like this trader seems to cover a diverse of opportunity over the short term, disciplines are strategies of seizing different prospects while letting profitable trades flourishing and minimizing losses swiftly. So if you decide to follow the trader, simply click on copy button and then just specify the amount you wish to invest in and scroll down here. You can choose which crypto you want to copy. This flexibility allows you to tailor your investment to align with your preferences and risk tolerance. So in here, you can determine the amount you are comfortable investing in choosing trader. So additionally here, there is a risk management feature that enables you to set a stop-loss ratio. Click on here. This means that if the trader incurs a 20 unit loss, you can implement a stop loss at a 10 units loss for your own protection. So this level of customization allows you to manage your investment and risk effectively, ensuring that it aligns with your specific financial goals and risk tolerance. So keep in mind that with this approach, you may not precisely replicate the trader's trades as you are actively managing your exposure. You can also consider setting a take profit ratio, although this may deviate from copying the trader's trades more closely. So after making this decision, click on copy and ensuring you have sufficient USDT in the correct account, which will prompt you during the confirmation process. Now, Bitget also offers a savings product, allows any crypto not currently involved in trading to ultimately subscribe and earn a yield akin to passive income in the saving account. So now you can just click on earn here. So in this page, you can choose the crypto for this, considering the various interests for each. So while Bitcoin typically offer a good interest, the amount may be limited. So it is advisable to check the tiers when subscribing. So if you made a decision, you can just press subscribe here. So it is important to note that KYC is required for the savings product, so ensuring you have completed this step. Utilizing the saving feature can be a smart move, providing interest on crypto that will otherwise sit idly in your spot accounts. So I hope this video proved helpful, and remember to click the link in the description below for a 20% discount as well. So happy trading!